Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for your interest in yoga therapy. I'm honored and delighted to find that you might join us on the path. As a yoga therapist for the last 20 years, I have been very blessed to work with people one-to-one in private yoga therapy sessions, as well as in small group yoga therapy formats. I run classes that are 4, 6, or 8 weeks long. The topics range from Hunger, Hope, and Healing, which is an eating disorder group for women wanting to use yoga and psychotherapy to help understand their disordered eating pattern or their body image issues. I've also run groups for pelvic floor therapy, for lower back pain, for anxiety and insomnia. There's a whole range of ways that you can apply yoga therapy as a professional yoga therapist. The way that our training is formatted, I've actually set it up so that your learning process is you're acclimating and integrating along the way. So we created it so that part 1 we put together as 4 4-day modules. Those are each about 30 hours of very intensive study. Our first module is going to be Mindfulness-Based Yoga. And this is to really lay the foundation for what is yoga therapy and what is mindfulness in yoga, which is more than monotasking one thing at a time. Mindfulness is more than serial tasking one thing at a time. Mindfulness is really the art of kind of trancing the brain to not be in its fight or flight process, but to be in its resources, so that the student or the client is in what I call a learnable brain state. From that place, insight can emerge, as well as the courage to take action on those insights. So our mindfulness-based yoga module is really looking at how teachers, we bring in our voice tone, our body language, our sequencing, the choices we make in language, the way we direct the student's attention again and again, the way to ask questions that aren't yes or no questions. So we let our students kind of open up with curiosity and exploration. A yes or no question doesn't really do that for people, but the kinds of questions we teach you to ask in this module allow for that flowering of curiosity and deeper inquiry. And the module includes pranayama and an understanding of the subtle body layers of the kosha model. So we're looking at mindfulness through the layers of the koshas and mindfulness for different doshas as well, Ayurvedic doshas. So that's how module 1 feels. And in a moment, I'll talk with you about module 2.